Encourage children to involve in that cooking is really important for them. They think that, oh, I have a responsibility to do that. Kids, they love it, you know?
Yeah, we actually trying to follow the child lead. So in teaching, we get the children interest, and then we were planning on experience on that so that the children can develop more. Also in eating. So actually, I think that you were observing the children interest in eating.
Exactly.
And then follow their lead.
Exactly.
No, to develop their interest in eating healthy food.
Yeah, exactly.
Do you have any solution cooking at home, have the bridging between the healthy and still have that flavor?
We don't want to torture the kids because of healthy, because we are healthy, but we should find a solution. I think air fryer is one of the amazing things that families, they can use it, kids can enjoy it. It's really nice, can make it really fast food, but is without oil.
Yeah, it still have that crunchy.
Exactly. It has a crunchy of the, like a chicken, chips, anything, but is in healthy food. You don't use that much oil, because I know some of my friends, instead of fast food, they're saying that we cooking at home, don't worry, and then they use that
air fryer.
Yeah, air fryer, and is absolutely, they are happy. And they forget about it going to McDonald's or anywhere, because they say, oh, my mom making at home, you know, it's nice. Yeah.
You still have that satisfaction when eating the food. Chicken nuggets is not really
no, it's not. But still you can make chicken nugget healthy at home. You can do it by yourself at home if you really want it. It's
burgers.
Easy.
Burgers is absolutely amazing thing to make at home. When you don't have to put lots of salt in the beef, and then you don't put lots of cheese on the top.
And you can even use really good quality meat.
The lean one.
Yeah, the lean one without fat. Just you can put parsley for more flavor, you know, it's like, and spices again.
And then I think that if the parents have a little bit of time during the weekend or something like that, if they cook at home with the children,
encourage children to involve in that cooking is really important for them. They think that, oh, I have a responsibility to do that. Kids, they love it, you know. And the other things, they see that how is amazing, they can make something and they will eat it by themselves, and everyone enjoyed as a family, you know, whole family sit down and they like that food. They will be proud of themselves. They're getting, you know, self-confidence, you know. If they don't want to cook, doesn't matter, just keep them aside and show them, you know, to what they're doing. And because when they see that, when the result coming out of the oven or, you know, any the pot or anything, and when they enjoying, next time they like to involve in that, you know, cooking.
And then during that time, it's actually a very good time for us to talk about nutritious meal. Having veggies in the meal is really nice, and then tell them that you can make lots of texture of the food from just one veggie. There was one of the time that I get the children to make rice paper roll together with the 1.5 years old. And then we were going up to the rooftop picking the herbs together. We put coriander, picking the mints, and then we get the previous chef to come up with us, and we were making it together. And it was so lovely to see the children, they eating the herbs in that very young age.
And
of lots of veggies in there. Whenever they go to the rooftop, they always approach the coriander. They always brought to the parsley, and they say, "Oh, this is coriander."
Yeah.
And then they just pick it, they go wash it right away, and they put it in. So it's raising a lot of interesting in eating veggies, because they know veggies have the really good taste.
It means that educator encourage them to eating because they pick by themselves, and educators encourage, try it, it's nice flavor, you know. When they try and they see that, oh, it's lovely, they will repeat it again. You know?
That's something that parents always can do at home, but it's actually worth it for us to spend the time with the children and then get them to understand the thing that they put in their body is actually matter. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's just not about the taste. But the healthy food also have good taste.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, even if they are busy, at least weekend, you know, spend time together, cooking together, shopping vegetable together. Let kids to pick up the vegetable or the fruit themselves. Themselves, because they see that they become proud of themselves. I take the fresh one. That food is nice because of that fresh tomato. I picked it, you know. Yeah. These things is really help to encourage kids to have a vegetable and healthy food. Yeah.
Make them proud of themselves when they're eating that.
Yeah, exactly.
One of my friends, she did research, and then she come up with the information that the children in young age, they really like the food in the sticks way. So that's why supermarket, if they have the food, it's going to be in sticks.
Yeah.
Where they can wrap it, they feel the sensory of their hands.
Yeah.
When they chewing it, they feel the sensory inside their mouth with different texture, and they don't want to be feed. They want to eat it themselves. Do you have any recipes that you can we can do with veggies? And in which meals or something like that?
Use the cutter, you know, the cut like a star or heart, you know. Yeah. You can do this style and put it in their soup or lunchbox, you know, is the shape of the food can help them, and it become more interesting for them. Oh, what's that? It look like a star, you know, they start eating it. Kids like a stick because they can hold it. Yes. And when I have veggie platter, I try to cut the carrot as a stick, you know. Cucumber always on a stick. And even for babies, small one, I try to boil them to eat it, you know, easily. If they see that it's hard, they say, oh, I don't like it. They don't say, I can't chew it. You know? They say that I don't like it. Or I use green beans. Green beans is really good for nutrition.
And it has interesting texture. They have the bean inside the sticks.
Yeah, exactly. Just not too long, just 1-2 minutes in a boiling water. That's it. It's not that much too long. If it's too soft and they just, you know, when they want to hold it, it's just a smash down, and they don't like it too. And even broccoli, if it's cutting the broccoli really nice, it's become like a flower. They like it. They will start eating that, which is really important, this vegetable for kids.
Yes, I think it's very interesting. Like whoever start working in the early years learning sector, we actually trying to follow the child lead. So in teaching, we get the children interest, and then we were planning on experience on that so that the children can develop more. Also in eating. So actually, I think that you were observing the children interest in eating.
Exactly.
And then follow their lead.
Exactly.
No, to develop their interest in eating healthy food.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you for this lovely sharing. Thank you for your dedication. I really admire you as like a very dedicated chef.
Thank you so much. And you're doing really great job. As I said before, you're doing great job for your community. It's really amazing because you encourage them to healthy food, and childcare, and really important for us to be healthy and happy, because they are next generation.
Thank you for that feedback.
No worries. I hope everyone like our interview. I try my best to say as much as I know. I'm still new in childcare, but I hope your kids love cooking, healthy food, and thank you, and good luck for you for your new journey. Yeah.